In this video, I'll show you how to use Actionetics in ClickFunnels Classic to automate your emails and increase conversions. Step 1. Access Actionetics. In ClickFunnels Classic, go to the Actionetics tab and open your dashboard to manage campaign lists and email sequences. Step 2. Create an email sequence. Click Create New Sequence, name it, and choose the trigger, like when someone opts into your funnel or purchases a product. Step 3. Design your emails. Add subject lines, body content, and a call to action buttons. You can include images, links, or videos to engage your audience. Step 4. Set automation rules. Decide when emails go out immediately after a delay or based on user behavior. You can also tag contacts for segmentation and follow-ups. Step 5. Monitor performance through analytics. And that's how you use Actionetics in ClickFunnels Classic, automated emails, segmenting your audience, and boosting funnel performance with minimal effort. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.